All right, are you ready? Let's start with what really matters. The most important element of sending snail mail is your friend. That's why you're sending the card, right? To let your friend know that you're thinking about them, that you care about them, that you want to celebrate them, to let them know that they matter. We believe the best way to start this off is to grab a piece of paper or our downloadable PDF and write down the names of all the people you love. Don't worry about the dates or the order or if you have someone's address, just think about your friends. Write down the names of your close friends, your family members, the friends that you wish you were in contact with more, your acquaintances that you see every day that make your life a little bit brighter. This could be a coworker or that friendly barista that always starts your day with a smile. Don't think about it too much. Just write down the names of the people that come to mind. We love this exercise so much that we've done it more than once. It's another way to bring gratitude in your life. After you're done writing down all your friends' names, you could sit back and look at this piece of paper filled with all the names of the wonderful people that fill up your world. If that doesn't make you want to start sending more mail right away, you might be in the wrong workshop. Just kidding, but I promise you that this will make you so happy. Hold on to this sheet. It will be used in 4 of the lessons to follow, depending on which kind of card sender you want to be. It also might be helpful to make a couple copies of this sheet so we can use a new one with each lesson. We will be highlighting them. Speaking of type of card sender, that's our next mission. You get to decide which kind of card sender you want to be. These are your choices. Sender of birthday cards, thank you notes, thinking of you cards, or holiday cards. Each type of sender requires a slightly different setup, and we break that down for you in the appropriately named lessons. You can decide to be all of the above, a little from each category, or simply choose one. The beauty of sending mail in today's world is no one expects anything. We suggest starting off gradually, but if you're like us and like to set grandiose goals, we say do it. Even if you don't achieve all of them, you'll still wind up being better off than if you set no goals and put in 0 effort to begin with. And don't be too hard on yourself if you don't achieve all your goals. Even if you send half the cards you intend to, that's better than nothing. Even if you send 1 card, that's still 1 friend whose day you've made better. Now, take a moment and really think about who you want to be when it comes to sending mail. You can think about the cards you like to receive. You can think about what really matters to you. Start there and make those goals. We created a PDF to help you identify your mail sending values. Print it out and give yourself time to think about how sending mail can benefit your life and the lives of those around you.